Hey there, YouTube fam! Today, we're diving into the adorable world of Hello Kitty with a review of the Hello Kitty folding hand mirror. If you're a fan of Sanrio's iconic character and in need of a stylish addition to your dressing room, this might just be the perfect fit for you. First off, let's talk about the design. This hand mirror boasts a charming rectangular shape, measuring 10.63 inches in length and 7.68 inches in width. It's just the right size for all your grooming needs, whether you're doing your makeup or styling your hair. Now, onto the material. The frame of this mirror is crafted from durable glass, ensuring both quality and longevity. Plus, it's adorned with the lovable Hello Kitty design, adding a touch of whimsy to your vanity point. One of the standout features of this mirror is its folding design. This makes it incredibly convenient for travel or for saving space in your dressing area. Simply fold it up and tuck it away when it's not in use. Easy peasy. But let's not forget about functionality. The mirror provides a clear and crisp reflection, allowing you to perfect your look with ease. Whether you're getting ready for a night out or simply checking your appearance before heading out the door, this mirror has got you covered. Overall, I have to say I'm pretty impressed with the Hello Kitty folding hand mirror. It's cute, practical, and adds a delightful touch to any dressing room. So if you're a Hello Kitty fan looking to elevate your vanity game, I definitely recommend giving this mirror a try. And there you have it, folks, my thoughts on the Hello Kitty folding hand mirror. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Until next time, stay fabulous. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.